How to exit or close games fully on PlayStation. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can close or exit games fully on your PlayStation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to close or exit games fully on your PlayStation, it's actually quite simple to do so. Let's say that you open a specific game and then what do? To come to the home screen, you just hit the options button on your controller, right? Now, most of the games basically also has the way to exit those applications within the game settings. So you have to look for it in the settings. But normally what people do is instead of just closing it, we just minimize it by pressing the PS button on our controller. But what if we want to actually exit the game fully because the game is still running in the background? Well, if you'd like to exit a game or an app fully, just hover the selection over it and then make sure to press the options button on your controller. When you hit the options button, right at the top you'll find the option called close application. Select that, and now you can just click on the OK option to close that specific application from your list. This way you'll be able to close or exit games fully on PlayStation. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.